Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my new hair adventure. So this is what my bright red hair has faded to, and currently I have my hair in braids because I feel like my hair in braids looks a little less crazy, but I will take the braids out in a bit so that you guys can see what my hair looks like on its own. But basically the color of my hair right now is still pretty red, but in some places it's orange and it's just kind of splotchy and dull, and I'm not feeling the color of my hair right now. I'm kind of over it, so that is why I'm going to be changing my hair today and trying to go copper. So I have wanted to go copper for a while. I've always wanted a nice, pretty, natural, orangey copper hair color, and I've always been scared to try because while doing research I've realized that it's kind of a hard color to achieve, but I wanted to try anyway, especially now since my hair already has so much orange in it. I feel like it's not going to be as drastic of a change, so that is why now especially I wanted to attempt to do a copper hair color finally. But I did want something natural, toned down. I kind of want something a little bit less high maintenance now. So I had the bright idea of purchasing Arctic Fox's hair dye in the shade Sunset Orange because I wanted something more natural and toned down. But thankfully I did research after buying it. I'm glad I did research before putting it on my head, and basically what I discovered while watching videos was that Arctic Fox's Sunset Orange is not orange, it's red on pretty much everybody. I mean, maybe if you have bleached white hair it will turn orange, but on pretty much everyone that I saw who used this, it turns bright red, which I don't mind because I just had red hair. Like, I like red hair, but I'm kind of going for something different. So I don't want to use this on its own. So luckily, while doing research, I discovered that Sunset Orange is one of the 3 Arctic Fox shades that you can mix to get the perfect copper. And I debated whether or not I really wanted to buy 2 more bottles of hair dye because each bottle this size is $12.99, I think, so that's kind of a lot to me because I'm kind of cheap. I'm really cheap. So I was kind of debating whether or not I wanted to spend that much, but what I discovered is that you use a ton, like a whole bowl of Cosmic Sunshine, Arctic Fox's Cosmic Sunshine. You use a fairly small amount of Sunset Orange, and then you use a drop or 2 of Purple Rain. So I felt like if I really liked this color, it really won't be much to maintain and touch up because all I'll have to repurchase is Cosmic Sunshine, because the Purple Rain will last forever because I only need a drop or 2 of it, and Sunset Orange will last a really long time because I don't need much of it either. So that's how I justified spending as much money as I did. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm also excited to mix colors together because I've never really done that. I think one time I mixed blue into a purple hair dye to make it a little bit darker, but other than that I've never done anything that crazy, so I feel like a scientist. I'm really excited to mix these all together. It'll feel really cool. I don't know what I'm more excited for, like mixing these dyes together or having the color. Like, I think I'm more excited about the process because it just sounds like fun to me. Yeah. That's what I'm going to be doing. Also, if you're someone who is kind of looking for bright orange, like neon bright orange, then you don't need Purple Rain, because what the Cosmic Sunshine does is it gets rid of the red tone, and then Purple Rain just kind of tones the color down and makes it more natural. So if you just want like neon bright orange, all you need is these 2. So if that's what you're looking for, then you can just go ahead and get these 2. But if you want something more natural like I do, then you'll want Purple Rain. So yeah, I'll take out the braids, show you guys a look of my hair, and then I'll bring you guys into my bathroom and we'll dye my hair. So you guys can see how splotchy my hair is now. Oh, I do not like it. I really really hope that this works and it makes my hair look better. It's kind of an ombre now because it kind of fades into a light orange. It's not horrible, I guess, but it's still like pretty splotchy and dull, and yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't like it very much, but could be worse. So yeah, I'm gonna change into a shirt that I don't mind staining, because surprisingly this is what I consider to be a good shirt. It already has like a stain or whatever, but this is one of my good shirts. So I'm gonna change into my dyeing hair shirt. I have one shirt that I use all the time. It's an assortment of colors on there. And then yeah, I'll show you guys too, like me mixing and pouring and stuff, so you guys can see how much of each I use and what it looks like. So yeah, I'll stop rambling and we will go into my bathroom now.
Ask you what you're thinking about. Ask you what you're dreaming about. Say your life is full of doubts. You don't know what you're talking about. You tell me what's on your mind, but how can you be so blind? I am the one who's hurting, but I'm just a burden. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. They're just ghosts. I obey all your desires, but you let me burn in the fire. Spent my days trying to impress, fill up your emptiness. I don't know what else to say. I can feel you pull away. You don't understand where I come from, 'cause you're just love. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. They're just ghosts. Watching you fade away, you let me disintegrate. Don't leave me on my own. Watching you fade away, you let me disintegrate. Don't leave me on my own. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts.
Okay, did it work? Was it a fail? Take your guess now, because you're gonna find out in 3, 2, What? So this is the result, and honestly I am pretty impressed because as I was putting the hair dye on, I was starting to get really nervous because it was looking red still, and that made me really nervous because I had just bought 3 bottles of hair dye for this. So it is such a relief that it did work. It is still kind of red to me. It has kind of a red tone still, and it's a very dark orange, which isn't exactly what I had in mind. I wanted it to be more like how my ends turned out, which is a little bit brighter of an orange, but that is totally my bad because I didn't realize how vibrant my hair still was until I started putting the dye on. And once I started putting the dye on, I was like, oh, maybe I should have waited a little bit longer and let my hair fade a little bit more before I did this, but that is totally my bad. And despite it still being pretty vibrant, I feel like it did an amazing job, and I am really happy with this. I like this way more than the look I had going before, and I feel like as this fades and when I do this again, it will be even better. It will be even more of a color that I want. I do really like this though. I really do like this color. I think it's really fun. It is a little bit more natural. It was so cool when I washed the dye out and it didn't bleed. Like, that is so foreign to me because I have had vibrant hair colors now for a few months straight with no breaks in between. Usually I dye my hair a vibrant color, then dye it black, then bleach it, dye it, and I'm not bleaching my hair anymore. I'm not using box dyes anymore. So I've just been having fun with vibrant colors because it's healthier for my hair. I feel like that's a misconception about vibrant hair, is people think that your hair is just going to be damaged, but if you don't bleach it, it's not damaging at all. So I have not had a color that didn't bleed in so long. So when I have vibrant hair, I can't lay down with it wet, or I can't put my head up against anything because it will stain whatever my hair touches when it's wet. But now it's not a problem. I mean, I guess I could have like blow dried my hair when it was vibrant, but I don't like blow dryers because it's unnecessarily damaging. It makes my hair frizzy, and honestly I'm too lazy. It takes forever for me, or did the few times I've ever blow dried my hair. It took forever, and blow drying hair is just not for me. I like to let it air dry. So with vibrant colors, I like have to wait hours before I can lay down, and I'm a lazy person. I want to just wash my hair, get back in bed, you know, that's kind of how I like to roll. So now I can do that again. So that's a perk to having this hair color. But yeah, I am really happy. I'm really interested to see how this fades. I don't know if it will fade lighter. I don't know if as it fades it will just become more red again, but I'm excited to have fun with this color and then do this process again. I did use up all of the Cosmic Sunshine, but I feel like I maybe added a little bit too much orange. I feel like with the combination you kind of just have to play around with it and experiment. I feel like for my first time with this mixture I did pretty good. Maybe next time I'll add less orange and maybe more purple. I don't know. I did use all of the yellow though, so I definitely used enough yellow. I used the whole thing. I think maybe I used a little bit too much orange, which maybe because I had red hair I should have used less orange. I don't know. Science. I don't really know, but I am happy with this hair color. If you are trying to go copper, I would definitely recommend this because it's healthy, it's easy, and honestly it is affordable because the first time, yeah, it is a little bit more expensive to buy 3 at once, but I still have plenty of purple, plenty of orange. All I need is, oh, I almost dropped my phone. Oh, that scared me. I just broke my camera with this tripod and I don't want to break my phone. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I just need yellow. I just need more of the Cosmic Sunshine. I might just get 2 or something, or see if they have a bigger bottle. I just wish they had bigger bottles, and maybe they do. I don't know. I just need a lot of Cosmic Sunshine, but I am really happy with this color, and this is how it turned out. So yeah. I don't think this was a fail. I think this was a success. So I am happy. It's definitely better than it was before, and in my opinion, I feel like if it's better than it was before, then it's a success. That's how I like to determine whether or not my hair was a success. I can never say success. Success. Okay. that is all. That's how my hair turned out, and if you guys want to try this yourself, I definitely recommend it. I really like this combination, and yeah, so that was that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!